First of all,
Yeah.
yeah, look at his red beady eyes.
He's a lion.
That's where the noise is coming from right there. Alright, first you gotta take things off.
You know, the first sign of serial killers is,
Cruelty to animals?
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, he's so cruel to Scout.
You've been witnessing these cicadas for the last month?
Alright.
Okay. Ooh, what is that coming out of his...
It's like an accordion.
Yeah, look at him stretch out.
Oh gosh, my I'm not.
Ah! Ah!
Ain't it?
Okay, you ready?
Is that the good part? Alright, ready?
I'm just...
That is disgusting.
Oh my gosh.
He really did it. Oh my god.
Really, they have no taste.
Why would you do that?
They're crunchy. It tastes a little bit like paper.